In 1835, Charles Darwin visited the Galapagos Islands, where he encountered the flightless cormorant. Unlike its airborne relatives, this bird had evolved to swim rather than fly. Why? The island's isolation meant fewer predators, so wings became less necessary. Instead, powerful legs and webbed feet developed for diving. This adaptation allowed them to catch fish more efficiently. Darwin's observations here contributed to his theory of evolution, changing our understanding of natural selection. Today, the flightless cormorant remains a symbol of nature's adaptability. How many other creatures have evolved in such unexpected ways?